Hello students, we have a question which is based on Cartesian system of coordinate geometry. Okay, the question is written as the base AB of equilateral triangle. The base AB of two equilateral triangles ABC and ABC dash with side 2A, and we know that an equilateral triangle have equal sides, okay, and each angle of 60 degree. We know that 2A lies along the x-axis. Base AB of two equilateral triangle ABC and ABC dash lie along the x-axis, okay, such that the midpoint of AB, the midpoint of base AB is at the origin. At the origin, find the coordinates of the vertices C and C dash of the given two triangles ABC and ABC dash. Okay, students, if we draw the figure, we will get this one is x-axis, x dash, y axis, y and y dash. This is the origin. The question is the base of the base AB, the base AB of equilateral triangle, and we know that each side of equilateral triangle is are equal. Okay, and the measurement of each side of triangle ABC and ABC dash is 2A. So the measurement of 2A is the measurement of AB is 2A. Is 2A. And since in question the midpoint of AB is at the origin, so midpoint of AB is at the origin, so OA is A unit and OB is A unit. Clear? Since O is the midpoint of side AB and midpoint is overlapping or coincident on origin, okay, AB is along x-axis. Okay, and so we have to draw equilateral triangle. This one is C and this one is C dash. C dash. The vertex of triangle ABC is C, and the C dash is the vertex of triangle ABC dash. We have to find the coordinates of C and C dash. Okay, clear? In triangle ABC, triangle CAO. Triangle CAO is a right angle triangle because angle COA is right is 90 degree. Okay, angle COA is a right angle. Okay, the x coordinate and y coordinate. For x coordinate, clear now? Clear. We know that point C is on y-axis. Point C is lying on y-axis, and we know that each and every point lying on the y-axis has its x coordinate 0. Okay, each and every point lying on the y-axis has its x coordinate 0. So C is 0. And C dash is also lying on y-axis, so x coordinate is 0. Clear? The measurement of AC is 2A, and this one is also 2A. And we know that in equilateral triangle, if we draw coordinate side. In isosceles triangle or in an equilateral triangle, if we draw a perpendicular from vertex to the opposite side, the perpendicular bisect the opposite side, means dividing the opposite side to equal parts. The same pattern is here. If we draw a perpendicular, and since y-axis is perpendicular on x-axis, we know that if we draw a perpendicular to the side AB, it bisect, means AO is equal to OB, and we know that C is on the y-axis, x coordinate 0, x coordinate 0. We have to find only the y coordinate, and y coordinate is OC. Y coordinate is OC, and O dash C dash is the measurement of the y coordinate is O dash C dash. For this, we have to take triangle OBC. Solution: in triangle AOC, measurement of angle AOC is equal to 90 degree. Reason y-axis is perpendicular on x-axis. Okay. Using Pythagoras theorem, from Pythagoras theorem. Okay, students, using Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to AO square plus CO square. AC is 2A, so put the value of AC, which is 2A to the whole square is equal to AO. AO is A unit, so A square plus CO square. Since we have to find CO, so CO square is equal to 2 square, 4A square minus A square. A square goes left hand side, becomes negative of the equal. So this is equal to 3A square. So CO square is equal to 3A square, and CO is equal to plus minus under root of 3A square. And since CO is positive, means above the x-axis, lie on the y-axis, means above the origin, above the origin on the y-axis. So CO is plus under root of 3A. Clear? The square root of A square is A, and the square root of 3 is under root 3A. So CO is under root of 3A. Okay, and similarly AC, similarly in triangle AOC dash, in triangle AOC dash, OC, the AC is also 2A, AO is also A, the measurement of AO is small a, we can calculate OC dash. Okay, OC dash. Similarly, in triangle AOC dash, OC dash is equal to under root of 3A. Using Pythagoras theorem, OC dash is also under root 3A. But since C dash lie on the y-axis, so x coordinate is 0, and lie on the, since C dash lie on the negative y-axis, so y coordinate is minus under root of 3A. Okay, so we have C is equal to 0 under root of 3A, and C dash is equal to 0 minus under root of 3A. So this one is our answer. Clear? Students, any problem? So here we use Pythagoras theorem to find one side of triangle if two sides are given. Here, students, please make a note. Okay, question is written as find the coordinates of the vertices of an equilateral triangle of side 2a in the figure. Means we have given a figure in which the base of equilateral triangle is along x-axis. Base OA. Triangle OAB is an equilateral triangle whose base OA is acting along x-axis, means on x-axis, vertex B. Okay. The measurement of each side of this equilateral triangle is 2a. We have to find the coordinates of the vertices. Means we have to find vertices of point A, which is a line on x-axis, and point B, which is in first quadrant. Clear? Okay, students, question is clear? Okay, let us proceed. Since point A is on x-axis, so we know that each and every point lying on x-axis has its y coordinate 0. Point A is on x-axis, so its y coordinate is 0. It's clear. Okay. Now we have to find only for x coordinate. Okay. Since point A is lying on x-axis at a distance of 2a. We know that what is x? X is the distance. What is x coordinate? X coordinate is the distance of point A from y-axis, and we are seeing that point A is at a 2a distance from y-axis. From y-axis, point A is at a 2a unit. The distance of point A from y-axis is 2a. So 2a is the x coordinate. Clear? So this becomes 2a. Clear? Okay. 2a is the distance of point A from y-axis, and point A, the distance of point A from x-axis is 0. The distance of point A from x-axis is 0, because point A is on x-axis. So the distance of point A from x-axis is 0, and from this result we know that all points on x-axis has its y coordinate 0. Okay. The next work is, our next target is to find the coordinates of point B. Clear? If we draw, and we know that if we draw a perpendicular from vertex of B to the opposite side, draw a perpendicular BM. Draw a perpendicular from vertex B to the opposite side OA, and we know that it bisect the opposite side, means dividing into equal parts. Okay, means we have OM is equal to MA, and OA is 2A, so OM is A unit. And A unit. This property is also in isosceles triangle. Means when two sides are equal, then we draw perpendicular from the vertex to the opposite side. It bisects the angle and bisect the opposite side into equal parts. Okay. So OM is, the measurement of OM is A unit. The measurement of MA is A unit. You can write it as OM, since BM is perpendicular on OA, then OM is equal to OMA is equal to A unit. Okay, so if we have a right angle triangle, in this way we have a right angle triangle. You can write it as a triangle BMO. Measurement of angle BMO is equal to 90 degree by construction. Reason is by construction. Okay, measurement of angle BMO is 90 degree by construction. Okay, we have to find the coordinates of B. The x coordinate is the distance of point B from y-axis. Clear? The x coordinate of B is the distance of point B from y-axis, and since BM is perpendicular and y, so BM is parallel to y-axis. Since BM is perpendicular from point B to the y-axis, so BM is parallel to y-axis. So if we draw perpendicular also from B to y-axis, suppose n, so BM is equal to OM. BM is equal to OM. So this unit is this measurement is A unit. So x coordinate of B is A. Clear? Okay. X coordinate of B is A unit. Now our target is to find y coordinate, and we know that y coordinate is BM. BM is the y coordinate. What is y coordinate? Y coordinate is the distance of point B from x-axis, and BM is the perpendicular distance. BM is the perpendicular distance of point B from y-axis. So this is BM. You can write BM. We have to find BM. So if we take in triangle BMO, two sides are known. Side OB 2A unit, side OM A unit, and our target is to find BM. So in triangle BMO, BM square is equal to BM square is equal to OB square minus OM square. Clear? OB is 2A. Square, after squaring we get 4A square minus OM is A unit. This is A square. So this is equal to 3A square. So BM is equal to under root of 3A. BM is under root 3A. So this is equal to under root of 3A. Means B is equal to A comma under root of 3A. So vertices of triangle ABC is O, that is 0 and 0. 0 and 0 why? Since point O, the second vertex of triangle OBA lie on the origin. So x and y coordinate means the distance of point O from y-axis is 0. Since O is the common point of common point, or you can say point of intersection. O is the point on y-axis, so the distance of point O from y-axis is 0. O is on origin, so the distance of O from x-axis is 0. So O is 0 and 0. Point A is 2A and 0. Point B is A and under root 3A. This one is our answer. Students, please make a note, and if you have any doubt, you can ask me. Please write down.